está bueno el café.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
Whoa! Am I seeing double? Somebody call Sarah Connor.
Well, isn't this cute? It's a Terminator convention.
It's great to have you here.
What's so strange about this, I don't quite understand.
Carl never told me about his past. And I just respected his privacy. He told me what he did to you. But I also know what he has become since then.
Good thing. Otherwise, I'd have to terminate you.
Get out.
Phillips, I just want to talk to you.
Don't listen to him.
Who is he?
How much do you know about what Wells was working on?
I want to bring her in. Find out where she's been.
I don't think a doctor can explain what's happening.
You're gonna put a man inside a machine.
You have to assume Wells told her about this project. You don't know where she's been, who she's talked to. No idea what she's told you about whatever it is you're doing.
Want to show them how it's done?
You're coming with me.